toilet paper on the floor? Relax, it's not a big deal. Fine, I'll pick it up, but this is the last time. I'll just stack it in a neat pile. Now I'll put it away. Steady. Almost there. Phew, I made it. Did you see that? Are you kidding me? I swear, this is the last time. I can't spend all day stacking toilet paper. Although, it is kind of fun. There's something calming about it. I'm so sleepy. I'm starting to think you're doing this deliberately. That's it. I should have done this a long time ago. Please don't hurt me. Put them on that. Okay, I suppose that's the least I can do. I'll try and pick up the rest of the toilet paper. This is tough. I don't like this game. Huh? Oh wow! Ow! That was so uncalled for. I need to think of a different approach. Wait a minute. I'll hold the stick between my toes. Now I need to pick up the others. I'll just use my superpowers. Oh yeah, I don't have any. I'll use my foot instead. Ha! Got it! And on it goes. This is too easy. I don't even need to get off the toilet. What are you doing? You know, that's actually pretty good. I'm impressed, Leo. Well, I was. I try my best. Wait! I have an idea! I'll place this bowl here, and I'll pour in alginate and water. It'll be my own special potion. In it goes. Can you keep it down? I'm trying to read. Just put your feet in there. Huh? What is that? It's fine. Trust me. I don't like it. No! Stop! Just a little longer! I knew this is how it would end, and it's at your hands! My mom warned me about you! Just breathe. Feel that calming energy. Like this? It feels strange. Just keep going. That's it, Leo. Push! Push! Wait, you're not in labor. Whatever. You're doing great. I'm so proud of you. Claire, I'm ready. This is it. Go, Leo. Don't give up. Aw, look at it. It's beautiful. Are you sure? Is everything okay? So, can I go? Yeah, get out of here. Now I'll pour gypsum into the mold. This'll create a cast of Leo's foot. I need to be quick. I can't let it set. Not before I put this in it. Now I need to wait. That should be long enough. This is the fun part. Pulling the mold apart. I'll be careful around the cast. I don't want to damage it. Once I've done that, I can spray paint it. I'll wait for the paint to dry. It's a unique toilet paper holder. Let's try it out. It's perfect! Hey, Leo. Check it out! Wow. I love what you've done. And look at the toilet paper! No way! That looks like my foot! It is my foot! This is blowing my mind. It's really good, Claire. I want to make the mirror more glamorous. Maybe this'll help. It adds a splash of color. And I can put this fern leaf on the other side. You know? I like it. Oh, am I kidding? It's not working for me. I'm gonna add things to these sticky hands. Wow, this is fun. I have everything I need for those long toilet breaks. I'm prepared for anything. Good thinking, Leo. It's an interesting selection. You've got candy, gold, a squishy ice cream. Wait! I think I can use that! This is just what I need. Can I borrow this? Do you want to eat it? No, we've been through this. It's not real. It's for the mirror. I'm so confused. Let me show you. I'll get rid of these. Wait! I totally get it! I knew you would. Let's get to work. First, I need a large piece of cardboard and a can of insulating foam. I'll spray the foam onto the cardboard. I want to make a pyramid shape, and I'll build up the layers. It kinda looks like the poop emoji. How's it going, Leo? Great! I've made a cardboard triangle, and I'll stick it below the mirror. Now I'll attach these cardboard strips. I need to concentrate. Nice! I'm a natural! The foam has set. Now I can paint it. I'll dab it on. This'll help give it texture. I'll use different colors. It's ready! We just need to stick it to the mirror. Wow! It looks amazing! It really is. but it's making me hungry. The mirror is a little dirty. I'll give it a clean. It'll be sparkling. Huh? Hi, buddy. You saw that, right? Yeah. You deserve a treat. Looks good, huh? Everyone likes ice cream. Come on, take it. It looks so yummy. Ow! We'll never talk about this again. Got it? I'm so bored. I wish there was something fun to do. Although, I'm brushing up on my tic-tac-toe skills. I've won 4 in a row. I should go pro. Nice move, Claire. Thanks, Claire. But it's not over yet. Wait, how did you do that? What do I do? Oh no, this is bad. I don't want to lose. Unless… I could always cheat. Wait, Leo? Ugh. This smells bad. Ugh, Claire. Hey, what's up? You're so gross. Okay, I'll finish my game. That's better. I'm not gonna lose after all. I'm just too good. Wait, hold on. It's a tie! Ugh! Stupid game! This is good. We need to get out of here. I can't take it any longer. There must be something we can do. It's so refreshing. I needed that. Uh-oh. That may have been a mistake. Claire, we have a problem! I need to pee real bad! I can't hold it in any longer! No! Don't! Stop! I can't! Look away! Ugh, this is the worst. Shh! I get nervous when people talk to me while I'm… you know, nothing's happening! What do you want me to do? Just hurry up! Fine. Go, Leo! You can do it! Nope. Still nothing! Not even a dribble? You're not helping, Claire! Ugh. I know. I'll turn off the lights. All done? I knew you could do it! What the… Oh, I'm gonna throw up. What's wrong? Oh, right! Oops. You need to clean that! You've got it! And don't miss a spot. I need to make a call. Come on, pick up. There's so much pee. And now I wait. What's happening? Claire! I'm so scared! It's working! Yes! What the… This is really happening, right? There's a hand in the toilet! Thanks, mysterious toilet hand. Whoa, check this out. It's a mini light. Look at the pretty colors. This is awesome, Claire. Thanks for your help. Bye-bye. Bye. Don't be a stranger. I can't wait to use this. I'll attach it to the toilet, then lower the toilet seat. Nice. Now there's only one more thing to do. Let's party! Woohoo! This is so cool! It's our own private club! I'm never leaving! Woo! Gotta keep my teeth clean. No one likes stinky breath. Just look at that smile. My turn! I'll give my hair a quick brush. Ugh! Are you kidding me, Leo? I hate sharing a bathroom with him. Ugh, this is so gross. My brush. Leo? What's this? Huh? Oh, right. You have such pretty hair. Hello? I have no idea where that came from. Oh, okay. That's so weird. How is it possible to make so much mess? It's attacking me! Ah! Ew. Look at this. It's disgusting. Yuck. Huh? Where did that come from? Give me that! This gives me an idea! Ugh. What are you gonna do? First, I need 2 more toilet paper tubes. I'll cut one into sections. Now it's time to get artistic. I'll paint the tubes with white paint. I don't want to miss any spots. I'll let the paint dry. Next, I need a cute picture. And let's face it, unicorns are the cutest. I've cut out the unicorn. Once the paint is dry, I'll brush glue onto the large tube. Then stick the unicorn to it. I'll smooth it out, making sure there's no creases. This is looking good. Once that's done, I'll lightly go over it with more glue. This will give it a coating. I'll leave that to dry. I've painted a strip of cardboard white. And now I'll apply glue to the bottom of the tube. I'll go around the edge. Then I'll stick it to the cardboard. I've decorated the smaller tubes too. I'll stick beads to the edge of the cardboard. It's finished! I'll place it next to the sink. It's perfect for holding our toiletries. There's no more mess. I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. It looks great. It really does. What a difference. Maybe being stuck in here wasn't so bad. It gave us time to redecorate. You spend a lot of time in the bathroom, so it may as well be comfortable. Why not give it a makeover? What was your favorite part? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.